Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Kraken or Bitmart. And I want to make two things clear in the beginning, because in today's video I won't tell you which application is better, I will tell you which application fits you the best. The second thing is I made more than 1500 crypto videos and I tried both of these applications. So I will do a quick summary today with my experience on both applications. So let's start with the beginning. The main focus of Kraken is to have a strong security and to invest on the long term. So you have right there the basic crypto valutas, and if you want to trade on the long term, I recommend you to do Kraken. Then if you go to Bitmart, Bitmart is more for altcoin trading. So if you want to trade altcoin, please directly choose Bitmart, because that one is one of the best applications for altcoins. Then if you go to best 4, and with that I mean, again, is Kraken is for the long-term holders and Bitmart is for the altcoin traders. Then if you go to trading tools, Kraken has a strong trading tool option. But if you go to Bitmart, Bitmart is more future rich. So Bitmart has a lot of futures. Then if you go to the interface part, Kraken is a professional crypto broker. And if you go to Bitmart, Bitmart is very beginner friendly. Kraken is it too, but if you want to trade altcoins and you are a beginner with altcoins, I recommend you to choose Bitmart. And then if you look to the fees and trading cost, right here Kraken has a good trading cost. But in my opinion, if you want to do more trades and want to day trade or do many trades with altcoins, the fees on Bitmart are better. So those are a little bit less, the fees. So you can decide right now for yourself if you want to trade on the long term, the general cryptos, do Kraken, and if you want to trade on the altcoins, use Bitmart. So this is also my summary about which one you need to choose, and hopefully after this video you can decide right now for yourself which one you want to pick. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.